Shoot, really? Is it that bad? Alright, I got it. What you think? What's up? You're a bitch. Wait, what's going on? I'm looking at the DMs. Longs about what? Don't trade pre-market right now. Wait for market open. Yeah, everything's going good, Pratham. I got you. Alright. Shoot. Mission between. Yeah, I'm gonna do it in between macros. I want to get my analysis out of the way first, so the people that pop in. Then, like, I'll do the data collection. I'm just gonna do a different chart. Okay. So you pretty much. Yeah, I'll handle it. I got you guys. Everyone DM me. I'll get to you soon. Flube is top priority. But. Shoot. How do I get to Tridge? Data. Did you enable the TradingView add-on? Like the add-on for TradingView inside of Tradeovate. Click on the top right and like it says it's active. Okay, are you logged into it? Okay, catch. You're not trading US Tech, you're trading NQ. You're trying to trade NAS 100. What? You can't trade symbol Black Bull US. Wait, it doesn't work on NQ either. Hold up. Okay, when you go on NQ, when you log into Tradeovate and you just type in NQ, is there like an NQ Tradeovate? Because if not, you actually have to contact support and they have to, support has to mingle with you over that. Okay. No, wait, what do you mean fluid? Yeah, just contact support for that, because there's not really much I know I can do about that. I had some other people, they straight up contacted support and support did it for them, they fixed it for them. Otherwise, yeah, that was really the only thing, that would have fixed it. But, non-sequential SMT ran out through this low, okay, based off what I said from yesterday, I think most of you guys were here for my analysis. I know Finn was here for the class. Essentially, what we were looking for was higher after the full rebalance lower. Now that we have our manipulation to the low, okay, right? Manipulation to the low, we run through 0.5 of the range. We're starting to inverse this gap closure above. We're rejecting higher off this NWAG, off this gap, running off of second standard deviation. At the very least, I do want to see us breach this high once, but I want to see this whole thing act as daily power of 3. It's accumulation, manipulation lower, then distribution higher. Okay, perfect. Yeah, you're in. Alright, perfect. Alright, back to business. With us being bullish here. Okay, let's see what we got here. 550 marked. Shoot, that's far. Dang. Yeah, if we do sell after that, we'll see. Okay. Watch the vlog whenever it drops. Since everyone in here. Okay. Okay, now with this in mind, let's check hourly. What I want to see by 10 a.m. open, if we inverse this gap during 10:50 macro, we're going to look for, I probably won't be here 10:50. During 10:50 though, I want to see a rebalance into this hourly gap, then we can look for clear longs. But at the very least, draw on liquidity. I don't like the seek and destroy profile, if I'm being honest. I'm, uh, I'm considering it to be manipulation though, rather than, like, we're manipulating both sides. But yeah, I'm already done for the day trading. Uh-oh, my $2 ledger. That's good. Alright. Hopefully they're gonna let me request payout. I don't know what alpha's been on. They look wrong. I think you have the, I think the settings, what was it called? Does it look different? Alright. This looks really weird. Dang, we're running midnight open already. This sucks. Alright. I'll just get to the data collection. Pop this up. Get a screenshot of all of this. Cool. Alright, we got it. I know, well, oh yeah, I saw that. Ouch. The video should have dropped. I don't know what's going on. Should be fine.
Yo,
Yo.
hey, what the hell? I can just speak on stage anyway.
Yeah, I think you and Sam were able to.
Okay, okay. Bro, Mantas.
What's
Yo,
up?
Sam was top tech crazy.
I know. Snibble.
Do you know what that level was?
Yeah, I have it all. 4-hour IFVGCE, weekly WIC 6-2, 10 a.m. open. What was it called? We all came together with this level last night.
Oh, that's fire. Weekly XCE sounds crazy.
It's really good. Percent deviation.
You took this too?
Mm-hmm. Funded, yeah. You just got your account, right? Alpha?
I just got my.
Did you
Yeah, I
finish
lost.
it?
I already lost 300 on it.
Oh shoot.
Am I fried?
No, you're not fried, don't worry.
How many points was that? That was like shit. That was 200, not 90. What'd you PP at?
Just max profit for me.
Damn.
Alright, that's it. Did my data. At least I'm getting stuff out of the way, slowly. I don't know why my videos are dropping. So, running up here before macro kind of sucks for us. We don't really have much of an opportunity for us to be finding a high quality setup or anything. So, in terms of what I need to be looking for, if we are just gonna seek and destroy, it's really just gonna be high or low.
Wait, you said weekly WIC?
No, 6-2, just previous week.
Oh,
I'm just using like the 2025 logic for a lot of the stuff I use now.
wait, but we already mitigated that wick, didn't we?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but throughout it, like on the daily and the weekly, it just cuts through.
Oh, we can still use it.
Mm-hmm. I think it's
Wait,
up to
I'm
like the
confused. We
previous
already
2
ran way
weeks.
through it.
Yo, Sam, are you gonna join the
Yeah.
stage too?
You just ran a week?
What's
Weekly
up?
wick? Can you show me?
Yeah, I got
Weekly
you. I
wick
got you.
Steve. Oh, daily. Oh, these are
Oh, I know
weekly.
weekly. Yeah, it was weekly. Right here. I'll show you. It was 6-2 of it. Add to the tick alignment with the level. Right here.
Oh, why does my chart not look like that? What the hell? My 6.2 is at 106. Oh, wait, that's
Previous.
because I'm an MQ stock.
Oh, yeah. Previous week. Not current week, but
Mm-hmm.
previous week.
Yeah, it's because I was on MNQ.
Oh, yeah. 24-hour CE, just aligned it with everything.
Yeah, wait, it's still at 107 though. Oh, I assume it means 0.706. Oh, it is 0.706. Crazy.
Asia short 172. Alright, I'll pop the level up 172 on my chart. I am kind of expecting higher prices though, so we kind of fit the criteria for it. I'm going to be looking for expansion long. I think I might need another winning day, so today I'm actually going to practice trading macro model, the world, for like a 1-to-1. So we're going to prep for that. So, there we go.
Right now, I got midnight open as my level.
Short level.
Mm-hmm. 0.709 or 0.79 of range, -3, and 2-day open. Whoa. I want a gap though.
Alright, I gotta focus up on this.
Oh, midnight also CISD.
Fully bullish structure, higher time from SMT at the lows. I'm chilling.
Oh, volume's so low today. What the hell? Or am I tripping? I think I'm tripping.
Short, no short good. Short not good right now. I got you. You mean iMessages? Or DMs? Oh, shoot, wait, Sam, stop. Okay, yeah, you're good. Okay, I see it. Ooh, okay, really? I see it. Yeah, it's marked out on my chart. Look, 172 marked out. I'll take it on paper.
Midnight did not cook. What the fuck?
Yeah. Okay, 145. Let's see what we can get.
Well, what deviation was on the 1030?
1030. Are you talking about the
The level last night. Last night.
third standard deviation of distribution leg and second of some other leg? But I was mainly focused on the third. Third from the 1 minute. Mainly,
Mm.
I like the stuff that aligns to the tick over a lot of other things. Fit what I was looking for. I wanted to see remanipulate, or I want to see us kind of manipulate lower again, drop lower. Shoot. I mean, spooling macros to be expected because both session lows have been ran out. Typically, when we run out both session lows during the macro, we spool higher, straight up. So I'm expecting like 1050 to not even give us an entry for anything. Hopefully, though, we can slow down from inversion and stuff. Otherwise, we have Sam's level. Sam, should I take your level on paper?
But what level does Sam have?
172.
172. What's that? 172. Gap fill?
Yeah. Also, Sam, what time did you go to sleep at last night? Moto
Wait,
7.
do you hear him? I don't hear Sam.
No, he's not. He's typing in chat. He's typing in the chat right now.
Uh,
Yeah, I can't do that. I got like a full. I went to bed at 9. I woke up at 7, so I
6
got a full
p.m.
10
So okay.
hours. Bro, it was the best sleep of my life. Like it felt so light too. I felt like I slept. I felt like I slept just like an hour or something. But when I woke up, it was already the next morning. I felt so good. Okay, I'll mark out your 035 level 2. Today isn't really a serious trading day for me, anyways, so I'm not too crazy. I'm already done for the day. I'm just showing up to be fancy. Technically, for the world AU, a mechanical entry would literally be the PXL of this right up here. So really just rejecting or closing above this higher. Wow, it's kind of crazy in terms of risk. Hello, Pretnell. Yes, I know a lot. Um, Shoot, I keep fumbling the chat. I keep pressing everything.
Alright, we just swept Asia highs. Let's see.
If we seek and destroy or not.
Or London highs.
Made in Abyss. Bastığım ya. Yeah, I don't even think there's a shot of me getting filled. I'm screwed. Oh no. 1050 or 950. Honestly, if your level gets hit within the macro, it can be a higher probability. Hold up. Transformation scene.
Bro, we may hit by target today. I didn't expect we're to any levels today.
The vlog has been dropped. My new YouTube video. Watch it if you can. Whatever. Alright, this is not hitting. So what are we gonna do? Sam, should I keep level or should I remove level? Leave it, okay.
No, I wish it just was a fucking math level around it. Because we're checking out the big line right now.
I think it's Philippines. I don't remember. Really just the basic stuff.
Right, we'll be right back. I'm back in a minute.
Dang it. Whole range is unbalanced, so it's really tough making high quality calls here. Like, you can't really say whether you want to rebalance the range or continue the expansion higher, so the safest thing to do is just sit back and chill out and wait. So I'm gonna pop this through, I'm gonna get this. Zero retrace. I'm gonna go drop the star platinum level actually, or analysis for that. Alright, we're about to hit Sam's level. Let's do this. Hello. Five-point stop, right, Sam? Yeah, if this level clicks 100%. Yeah, 5-point stop. That's crazy. Okay, there's the film. It's not confidence, you just have to ball out. You have to be a high roller. Oof. It didn't hit. Negative R. Mm-hmm. So volatile right now, though. Heavily volatile. I'm still waiting for anything else to happen other than just straight expansion throughout the day. So, yeah, we did pump, but yeah, he's still papering it with 10-point stop. I mean, markets were volatile, so I can still see it holding, but yeah. Sam balls out with a 5 though, so. Star Platinum, the world. Your target should be break even at internal range right here. Internal at the low of this BISI. Full take profit, I'd say it'd be this internal low right here. So 78-point take profit. You don't really want to be targeting the 0.5 of the range, because if we're heavily bullish, we're gonna run up the engineered liquidity low rather than the 0.5 of the range. Overall, though, if we do want to see down to 0.5, I can't really see it happening. Just looking at the strength of the PD arrays, but let's see. DNCM blah. High probability inversion coming off a 4-hour gap fill. Two high prob inversions, I can't take it. Kind of. Okay, I think I was trying to explain this a while ago. I mean, it is good that we're putting in a high during the macro. Maybe if we form a breakaway gap here, I'll take it on paper. But I really don't like taking trades off high probability inversions when there's two gaps right next to each other. I really just consider this to be one whole inversion. I don't really like seeing multiple gaps. And structure right now isn't really calling for a full reversal. Like, if a breakaway gap forms here, I do want to take it because I've actually never seen a scenario where we're so heavily bullish and we form a breakaway gap. So, I've never seen that happen before. Continuation longs, potentially, off of this inversion. So I was saying I never really seen a breakaway gap form. But then again, what would be the draw on liquidity? It's like we're sending a thing into space with no target. Internal SMT potentially at this low, let me double check. Yeah, we do have SMT at this internal low. Let's see what happens. Overall, be very patient. 10 a.m. is opened. I wouldn't say this is a breakaway gap anymore. I mean, overall range is rebalanced. Flube, are you gonna take the high prob or yeah the HP IFVG? No, I was looking at SMT at the lows with SMT at the lows with ES previously, but we don't currently have that. I don't know. I'm gonna try to call tops. Generational lungs, yeah. Okay, that's good. So you're gonna be looking for continuation longs, right? Okay, that's nice. 10 a.m. open. I want to see if 10 a.m. will actually manipulate though. Draw liquidity. Yeah, we are flying somewhere random. It's not high quality trading conditions right now. You can wait for more structure to develop by the 1050 macro. Something high probability is a real continuation, which like a high quality continuation model during days like this would straight up be accumulation throughout the whole session until 1050. So if you want to set an alarm and come back for 1050 and wait for manipulation through an internal low like this, or even down to 0.5 of the range first presented, you could see standard deviation here. If we can do that, then obviously you can do whatever you want for continuation longs and not feel any regret about missing a setup or anything. If we do, just accumulate within these two PD arrays for a while. I'm logging this HP IFVG though. Not really because I'm confident in it. I really just want to hit off one macro trade and just be out for the day. I can check back in on you guys if you want, but I'm going to send this off for a 1-to-1. Try to hit a 1-to-1. IFG rejecting higher time frame. Busy continuation longs, 10 seconds. I really don't like seeing hesitation within the gaps though. It's not good for me. No. We needed that busy. We're just accumulating within these two PD arrays. Power 3 expansion, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, reaccumulation. We will dump the 1-minute rejection block. Yeah. Look at the difference in delivery currently, though. We are going lower high probability inversion plus high probability BPR on ES, which we're delivering lower off of. YM is, I guess it's decently selling off, but then again, I don't like seeing the hesitation on NQ. Hmm. Yeah, just because we're hesitating, but where would the SMT be that would really validate this? Because I haven't really seen any. I'm thinking we can. I mean, I'm not bearish. I'm not like fully bearish on the day, but I do want to see us rebalance. But then again, it's just demystification. I think this is where I try to use Gen 5 in a scenario like this. Just get the most confirmations as possible. Came back, used a bearish PD array, showed that we're currently bearish. Rejecting off of a higher time frame level, macro puts in highs, logically. Rebalance internal range, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. I'm gonna keep Sam's level marked out though, because that's actually pretty good. With 10-point stop. 3. Dang it. You could take it on paper, just not funded. I'd say wait for 1050 to take a trade unfunded when we're outside of this range. Actually, or do you want to take it right now with 1 and Q on your funded? Flu. You want the paper? Okay, that's good. We're about to shoot below both of these. 5. We're doing that one thing though. When we close below the high probability inversion, usually the second BISI or SIBI within the range stops us out, and then we inverse this one, and it just destroys us. But I'm just gonna act like that's not real, ignore it, and then I don't know. I gotta go soon. Okay, 930 cannot be the first. Not really. There's actually no scenario where the 930 candle cannot have the first presented gap, no matter what. It's any gap that forms after 930. So 930 open, then the first presented gap can come after 930. So 930 opens, 931 can form it. That's the minimum. So the first gap that happens like 931, 930 because it's the open of the RTH. So just pass. Yeah, not even. It has to be a gap that gets presented like after 930. That's really it. Oh shoot, now we inverse the second one. Oh, wait. We closed on it. Jeez. Yeah, of course. Let's get greedy. No, yeah. You still have time, Flube. We have Gen 5. Go short. Oh, never mind. We don't have time. It's already used. Alright. I'm gonna go cook my food in a bit. Trill SL. It's paper. I'm just gonna leave it. Swing high. This is SPTW, just a not really a clean example of it. Stockpile of the world. Sam. $937 lows. This is our TP. 937. Equal lows. Dang. I'm gonna just keep mine so I can hop off. Yeah, I forgot. I'm still expecting 1050 to manipulate into 0.5. That's better for us. That's honestly probably the best case scenario if we just stay within this range. Yeah, okay. Thank you, 318. Perfect. It's not too crazy. I think the next one might be better, but we'll see. Just too much to do today in my live training. I've been on such a tight schedule since I woke up. I've been trying to get everything done. I have a lot more to get done too. So the video was rushed. The editing was rushed. So sorry about that. I think you can tell that it was rushed, but thank you. I always have you in my mind every time I edit. I appreciate it a lot. Yeah, I know. When you have the chance to prove that you're consistent, what's it called? You become so much more productive. But I'm glad you took this on paper. Remember, logically, I still want 0.5 of the range. But I mean, like 1050, I want it. Not right now. Screw this now. $275. What? Yeah, of course. Fighting trend will get you destroyed. I don't understand why though. Logically, there's no Oh wait. Yeah, never mind. We have SMT at the low. Never mind. I was thinking that this shouldn't be happening. Typically, if we're gonna go, okay, for continuation long, you guys should know this. I say this so many times. Instead of running 0.5 of the range, we can just run out an internal low, the engineered liquidity low. Same thing happened here, but we just formed SMT instead of running it out. So now we have higher probability conditions for a long setup. Now we could switch up on the OG setup and I guess look at MBPR or something. I don't know. Shoot. High probability order block. Dang it. I'm realizing this stuff too late. I'm off my game today. Yes, longs, William. I'm switching to longs. No longs, Nick. Took break even same setup. Someone built a time machine and it sells generational longs. Ah, sales would have been fine, I guess. Shoot. I probably should just enter off high probability order block. I want to long off of this, but it's okay. I swear I'm not this messy unfunded. I'm actually really strict and patient. I'm very patient. Like, I don't... I don't get it. Okay. Changing the idea a little bit. Dang! It smashed me out. Trade wars, FOMO shorts? I'm not FOMO shirts, I'm extra bullish now. I just quadruplified my bias. Salmon blew up so quickly? So, wait, what do you mean? Gosh darn it. You're going to Spain tomorrow? Nice. Man, look at this. Ooh, this looks messy. I don't think I've ever done this during a live trading session. I'm just gonna focus on the SMTs that were stacking up at the lows. I wanna get off. To take trades on MNQ, not NQ. Well, yeah, currently, because right now, we're pretty volatile. I'd recommend just trading MNQ for people unfunded. Definitely waiting until 1050, if I'm being honest. Don't try to macro. I mean, I think most people have common sense towards that. Don't try to macro anything crazy. Yeah. Watch for 1050. Macro BPR, put in SMT. I don't know. It's kind of crazy right now. It's very crazy. Alright. That goes to 0.5. Yeah, if it does that, I'd give it. I mean, if it does SMT, macro, SMT that forms within macro, then I'd give it like an A+. That's what it needs. But we'll see what happens. Slowly grinding lower. Wow. Okay. Anyways, do we have any questions? Probably not. I'm gonna be busy the whole day. Well, yeah, I just got on for fun. What's up, Finn? The Notion thing? Yeah, we gotta get onto that. I have a bunch of DMs. I'm gonna DM you, Finn. I have a lot of things I gotta do. Alright.